Hello guys, this is another unboxing. This is of Canon scanner LiDE 300 or LiDE 300. So I purchased it for scanning LP album covers as well as the LP itself. I'll show you why. Open the box. This is the invoice. And this is the scanner. Colored image scanner. Okay, it is powered directly by the USB bus. Don't need any extra power supply for this one. Okay. What we get is USB, micro USB cable. This is okay. Micro B, micro USB. Okay. Alright. Needs to be flipped over. Okay. You get one driver CD as well as one user manual, which we don't need. I'll keep it to the side. Then this is how the scanner looks. And this okay. And yeah. There is one switch at the bottom which needs to be unlocked for the scanner to be used. So let's unlock it, and then safety protection. The reason why I got this is that you can remove these sections, first one, the second one, and this third one, to create an extra space for scanning purpose. Obviously the ends of the album cover will be chopped, but you can still stitch together two images to make one single large image. Instead of purchasing one A3 scanner, this can be utilized. So now I'll try to put one LP jacket and try to show you in what ways you can scan with this. So as an example, you can see that if I put this jacket like this, so if you remove this piece as well as this piece, then the jacket sits flush. So you can scan from this side. You need not use this side pointer because anyhow this is the blocking region. So you scan from this side and then you simply move this way to scan the remaining piece. Also, as far as the LP image goes, we can put this onto the scanner like this. So without these boundaries you can even scan the labels as well. As you can see, perfectly you can scan the labels in high-res quality. So that's what the plan is, guys. Let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day ahead.